Hello, welcome back to Champion Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a keychain onto a crochet stuffy. You will need your crochet stuffy, some yarn that matches it. I'm using pink acrylic yarn, a crochet hook. I'll be using a 3.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle, a keychain, some scissors, and that's all. Let's jump right in. So if you see right here, there's a circle, your magic circle. You do not want to start in your magic circle. You want to start right outside. You're just going to grab the stitch. You're going to grab your yarn. You're going to leave 3 inches to 5 inches spare yarn. And you're going to push it through. And then you're going to chain. I'm going to chain 6, because if you have one of these with little links to them, then you'll want it to be shorter, but if you don't have the ones with links, then you'll want it to be longer. Just going to chain 5 for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to make a loop, and then cut 3 to 5 inches off. You will not be needing your yarn anymore. And then with your keychain, you're going to slide that on there. It might be a little difficult, so then just slide it on there. Take your crochet hook, and then you either go right next to it or then you can go across from it. Make sure not the magic circle, one right out of it, and then you're going to go in and then go through both of them. Then do that one more time. Go through this one more time, and then pull the yarn through. Now we have 2 together, and you want to take your darning needle, and you see here I'm already running out of yarn, so I should have done a little bit more. And push through both of the yarn. Push through both of the yarn so that it goes through to the other side into the middle. You already do not have something in the middle. Not going through. There. Oh gosh. It might look a little squished, so you can pull that back out again. And then you'll tie a knot. A nice and sturdy one. If your yarn is running out, you don't have to worry, because we'll soon done with this yarn. You don't have to worry. You can tie the knot 2 more times just for safety. And then if you're already running out of yarn like I am, then put your darning needle halfway through, and then grab both of the yarn strands if they can fit in. Might be a little difficult if you have 2 centimeter long strand. Pull all the way through, try to pop the squishy little thing back out again. And then you can either tie a knot again for extra security or just cut off your ends that you just pulled through. I really like this method because it's super sturdy and I've had made keychains that I give them to someone and without this method and they fall off. This method is super sturdy and it's super simple. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any questions or comments. Thank you for watching. Bye!